How to download Valorant on PC or laptop. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Valorant on your PC or laptop. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Valorant is a great free online multiplayer game, and here's how you can get it. First, open a web browser and go to playvalorant.com. On the home page, click Play Free. Next, select PC as your platform. You'll need a Riot Games account to continue. If you don't have one, click to create a free account or sign in with your existing login. After you sign in, click the download button. Once the installer finishes downloading, open File Explorer, go to your downloads folder, and double-click the install Valorant.exe file. When the setup window opens, click Install. Follow the prompts confirm by pressing Install again. The game will start downloading. It may take some time because it's a large file. When the installation is complete, launch Valorant, sign in, and you're ready to play. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.